All right. I received a package from Insane Illusions Fabrication. And what it is it's the polished kit for the radiator hold down. Everything here is the way it's packaged when it's shipped. All this stuff is handmade, polished out. Very nice. I think this side is set up for alright, so it has the factory clip, hole for a factory clip, and it actually has a bolt and a stud which you could stick your catch can on. And there's actually fasteners included with it. I'm going to grab the wire Allen head for this. Now this side here has the core pushed up a little bit, and it's actually, I think, against the inner core a touch. I'm not exactly in center. But very quick, very easy install, very well packed. All right, very, I mean, I got them dirty getting them out, putting them on here, because they're just they're that much more shinier than what my hands are. So like I said, very nice little radiator kit that is offered by him. Everything is handmade, polished out by hand, bent the way that it needs to be. Like I said, there was some modifications on this core support over years. It has an aftermarket thing here, so these look like they're a little, this one here is a little bit to the left, and so is that one. I also have an aftermarket radiator in here. I actually got to trim that. I got to trim my bracket there a little bit for my computer. Everything is starting to come together with this car, and this was just one of the little special touches that we were installing. So if you check that out, actually not bad. He has a Facebook page, makes a bunch of other things. Maybe I can get some snapshots off of that and add them to the video. And I'll put his link in there. So there you go. There's someone that makes some very nice parts for the srt4. He does some other things also. Does a lot of welding, does a lot of fabricating. He's a really cool fire extinguisher kit to mount the stuff in the srt4 also. So just one of those things you got to check out. See ya.